to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Roblox account time limit reached. So guys, to remove or reset your screen time limits, so you must access the parental control menu for linked parental account. Okay, so guys, managing and resetting the screen time, because Roblox screen time feature are directly linked to your parental control. The limit can only be disabled and removed modified by your parents account. Okay, so if you want to do it, first of all you log in with your parents account on the roblox.in. Then guys, navigate to the gear icon. So guys, here you find this type of icon. Okay, after that guys, you navigate to the parental control tab and select the specify account control. Okay, here first close this and guys go more, and here you see in the settings. Okay, like here like parental control and restriction, but make sure that you have your the account of your parents. Okay, after that guys, then you select the specific account you want to edit. Then scroll the screen time and select and manage. In the daily limit drop down menu, you can either select the higher limit or remove the limit entirely so the user can play without the restriction. Okay, and guys, device level screen time as account limit time. So if your time limit message is appearing outside of the standard Roblox app, so example, your device compatible completely block you from opening the Roblox, so you may have set a limit on your phone or the computer rather than the Roblox platform itself. For this, if you are an Apple user, so simply go to the settings, then screen time, and click the option of app limit and find the Roblox in the list and select delete time limit or toggle off the feature. For Android user, go for setting, digital well-being, then parental control dashboard and tap the option of Roblox and delete the timer. Okay, there are known issues on the platform where users are logged out even the screen time limit were not acceptably set or set to no limit. So if you encounter a bug so preventing you from changing the time setting, so you will need to unlock them account. Okay, so these are the things that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.